When you record using Riverside, you can live stream to YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, and Twitch all simultaneously right from your studio. If you're on any of our paid tiers with Riverside, you have that ability to rebroadcast to any of those services, and we're going to show you how to set it up for each one right now. Before we jump in, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the Riverside channel. We have lots of content on creating video podcasts, automating your workflow, and a ton more. To set up live streaming to those services, first go to your Riverside studio. Once you log into your account, go to your specific studio and click the gear icon to access more settings. Scroll down and you'll see the live stream options. Here you can live stream to one or all of these services at the same time, including custom rtmp locations. If you'd like to live stream to YouTube while you record, turn this toggle on and you'll need your YouTube stream URL and stream key. To get that information, log into your YouTube account and then click the camera icon in the top right and click Go Live. From here you can schedule a live stream or just click the stream icon in the top left, scroll down and you'll see a stream key here and a stream URL. Copy the stream URL and paste it here. Then also copy your stream key and paste it here. Now when you start recording in this studio, it will also live stream to your YouTube channel connected to that live stream URL and stream key. If you would like to use a custom title, description, and thumbnail for your YouTube live stream, we recommend doing a scheduled event, and then you can copy that stream key and stream URL here in Riverside. Remember, for any of these services, your live stream will only start broadcasting to these third-party services once you hit the record button. Also, once you start recording, the live chat that you see in the Riverside studio will not be visible to your viewers on YouTube, LinkedIn, or other platforms. Also, your chat windows on those platforms, like the YouTube live chat, won't be visible to your Riverside users. So in order to see the live chats across all these different services that you're broadcasting to, make sure to have a window open with the live stream page active. You can simultaneously broadcast to Twitter. You'll also need a stream URL and stream key, which is the case for all of these services. We'll put this link in the video description, but in order to live stream on Twitter, you need to go to the Media Studio page. From here, we can click Create Broadcast, scroll down. For source, select Create a New Source. We can call this source Riverside. It's going to be an rtmp stream. Select your country or region. Here you'll get your rtmp URL and your stream key. Paste that information back in the Riverside studio and you'll be ready to live stream to Twitter once you hit record in this studio. You can also live stream to Facebook all at the same time. This will be rebroadcasting across all of these services when I hit record in the studio. To get this information from Facebook, go to facebook.com, log into your account, and then here under your status window, click Live Video. From this live video page, select Go Live. Expand the advanced settings, and here you'll have the stream key up here and the server URL down here. And now we'll go here in the stream URL box, and then copy your stream key, and you can paste that here in the Riverside studio. You can also enable Twitch, log into your Twitch account, and here in the left-hand sidebar under Settings, expand that and click Stream. Here you'll see your primary stream key. You can copy that, paste it in the stream key box back in Riverside. And for the Twitch stream URL for everyone, it's going to be this URL right here. We'll also put that in the video description. Finally, if you would like to live stream to LinkedIn, once you visit the LinkedIn Live page, go down to Stream Settings, pick your region, and click Get URL. Now you'll have the stream URL and stream key available to you. Copy the stream URL and your stream key. And now I've set up to live stream to all of these destinations at the same time as soon as I start recording in this studio. If you have other destinations you would like to add, we support any rtmp address that you can add here at the bottom. If you would like to adjust what platforms you're live streaming to even after you've entered the studio, click the gear icon in the top right corner, go down to Live Stream, and you'll see the same options for YouTube, Twitter, Facebook, Twitch, LinkedIn, and custom services here. You can toggle one of these on to start broadcasting to that platform. And here you can see your Riverside studio is live broadcasting to a Twitch channel. Remember, the chats will be different. Chats in Twitch will not be seen by your Riverside studio and vice versa, but any guests that you have in your Riverside studio or even the audience live call-ins, all will be broadcast to these different platforms directly from the Riverside studio. Keep in mind that the live stream going to those third-party platforms like YouTube, LinkedIn, or Twitch will max out at 720p. But as you record in the Riverside studio, you're still getting high-quality local video and audio tracks up to 4K video and uncompressed audio. You'll still be able to download all of those tracks after your live stream is finished. So that's how to live stream to multiple platforms directly from the Riverside studio. If you have any questions on what we covered, leave a comment below this video. We'll help you there. And don't forget to subscribe to the Riverside channel. Hit that bell icon so you don't miss a video. We have content on how to create a video podcast using video switchers and why podcasters should get into YouTube, plus a ton more. Thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you in the next video.